پاکستانی کمیونٹی کا ایک مضبوط موجودگی ہے یہاں براڈفرڈ میں. ایک جگہ known as the Carlisle Business Centre stands as a testament to the community's resilience and collaborative spirit. Founded with a vision of fostering local enterprise within Manningham, where a majority of South Asians reside, it has become a hub of activity and innovation. Is community mein se two influential members are tonight receiving commemorations for their community-led efforts at a grassroots levels and beyond.
So all I can say is thank you. The Deputy Lieutenant is, it's given me an opportunity again to support the community.
Dr Shaukat Ahmed, MBE, awarded a doctorate, but that's not really the full story. He's done so much work with the housing associations, with the education, charitable organisations and the business community from us.
Thanks. Thank you for that.
I've been awarded a doctorate, an OBE, a DL, because of my hard work. So don't be afraid of hard work. Get involved in supporting others. Get involved in community work.
Education has become so important among Pakistani families and Bangladeshi families. My advice to young people will be, unless you get education and do well in school, you are losing out biggest opportunity. A country that can give you everything you want. Britain is your home. You are British. You have to work here, study here, become important here, do something useful here. Then you'll get the respect from the country.
If you work hard, you can show you've got the skills regardless of what background you come from. You have those skills, you can advocate and use your professional skills to help others. I think we have to be careful not to feel victimised. Be confident. It doesn't matter what walk of life you come from. Be confident